everybody, I've got my next modern quilters box. Very excited. This one came quite quickly after the last one, so looking forward to this. And lots of beautiful green tissue paper again. I'll try and save that sticker this time. Ooh, it looks like we've got Ruby Star Societies. I'm so looking forward to this. Social. Got ice creams and beautiful stars and these gorgeous rainbows and some fantastic coloured birds. My gosh. More ice creams, making me want to think of summer. Rainbows and telephones. Another colourway of the birdies. What else have we got down here? The darker birds, they look gorgeous. Oh wow, look at this bright pink stars. That is fantastic. Loving, loving, loving that. This one's Melody Miller's line. Ooh, some Walker's shortbreads. Yum. What's our sticker? Our sticker is Be the Light. Oh, and some Best Press Linen Fresh. That's fantastic because I always use that and I run out regularly. And what's our little pattern? Oh no, here's our tea bag. It's a double bergamot Earl Grey. I don't drink tea, so I'm going to have to find someone to give these to. And what's our patterns? Water lily. That looks lovely. And a granny cabin quilt from Then Came June. That's fantastic. I love her patterns. Awesome. And what else we got down here? Oh, the sampler block this time. Hey, that looks fantastic. Hexies with scrappy colours. Awesome. That'll look fantastic in these colours, won't it? I think that's it. How wonderful. Can't wait for next month.